I was standing on the banks of the river, looking out over life's troubled sea, when I saw that old ship that was sailing. Is that the old ship of Zion I see? His hull was weak and battered from the storms of life. I can see the waves were rough, but that old ship kept steady. Is that the old ship of Zion I see?
At the stern of the ship was the captain. I could hear as he called my name. Get on board.
On board.
It's the old ship of Zion. It will never pass this way again.
As I stand on board, I'll be living all my sorrows and heartache behind. I'll be safe with Jesus, the captain, sailing out on the old ship of Zion, sailing out on the old ship of Zion.